Welcome to QLC online video tutorial. We'll see one of the report in FieldSense that is called productivity report. Let's have a look. After logging on the FieldSense web portal, that is web.fieldsense.in, with your user ID and password, by default you will be on a dashboard of the FieldSense. So come to the section report, and under report you will find there are several reports, and under this there is a one report called productivity. Today we will see this report, productivity. Under productivity report, on top you will have some statistics like what is the average visits per day that your user is performing, and what is the efficiency ratio. Efficiency ratio is depends upon the visits. So the total visits that your user has scheduled or you have assigned them, like this part will show you that is 77 in this case was the schedule visits, and out of 77, 63 was actually done. So this is the efficiency ratio will show under this section, and under this section you can see what is the expenses per visit that they are uh, claiming, and what is the average kilometers that they are traveling for per visit. And this data is for all your selected user for last 7 days. By default you can choose any date range by simply clicking here. This is the calendar section, and under this section you can select the users. By default all the users will be selected, and where you can see there is a majorly 4th section, that is time spent, visits, expenses and travel. And this first column is for the name of your users. And in a time spent you can see the 4th category. So in meetings how many hours they have spent, in travel, so while traveling how many minutes or hour they have spent, how many uh, times they have spent in offices, and at last you can see the uh, total time that they have spent for that particular day. And in a visit section you can see the visit like schedule visits and actual visits. So total user schedule visits, and out of that how many he has actually done. And there is the expenses. So under expenses, first section will show you the ad hoc. So ad hoc expenses is such expenses which is not directly related to any particular customer. For example, like if any user claiming expenses for his postpaid mobile bill, so this is not directly related to any visit, so that will be considered as an ad hoc bill. Like for visit if he is claiming, then you can see under this section that amount for, and at last you can see the on on particular day what is that average expenses for per visit. And at last there is a travel section where you can see the total distance that user has traveled, and out of and on the basis of kilometers, what is the average kilometers per visit that user is traveling. And there is a you can see there is a icon. If you click on it, this will get expanded. So for this particular user, for day wise you have data. Likewise you can select these users and you can see. So I'm going to select few users. So I'm going to click on this cross sign. I'm selecting some of my salesperson, so we will have some stats. And you can see multiple users productivity report at a glance. So I'm selecting another user, so you can search the user, select them and click on done. You can see the users are selected now, and I will go with the same date range, and clicking on this search icon I will get the data. So here you can see the user wise data I have. If I click on this arrow icon, the day wise details I can see, the total hour that they have spent, the visit that they have done, exactly expenses. So on top you can see this is accumulative. If I click here again, so this is the accumulative for selected date range. So when I click on it, so I can see the day wise visits that they have performed. Likewise, if I click for another user, I can see what visit that this user has done on the daily basis and all. That's all for this video. For any further assistance or regarding any suggestion, you can write us a mail on support@qlc.in. Thanks for watching.